Tesla Model 3 resets are non-destructive reboots designed to resolve software glitches, touchscreen freezes, or minor system errors. Think of it like restarting your computer. These resets clear temporary memory and restart core systems without erasing your personal data or settings. They're your first line of defense for common issues. Glitches in Tesla vehicles often stem from software conflicts, memory leaks after over-the-air updates, or incomplete installations. These issues can cause everything from frozen screens to navigation problems. Memory leaks are a common culprit. As software runs, it can accumulate unused data in memory, gradually slowing down the system. Without proper cleanup, this can lead to critical failures. Over-the-air updates deliver new features and fixes wirelessly, but incomplete downloads or conflicts during installation can introduce bugs. Tesla's frequent updates mean these issues arise occasionally. A hard reset forces a clean startup, clearing temporary memory and reloading the operating system from a stable state. This resolves most software conflicts without data loss. Tesla advises hard resets for 70% of reported software issues, helping owners avoid costly service center visits. This simple step maintains vehicle performance and reliability. Always perform resets when the vehicle is parked and not in motion. Avoid resetting during charging or while full self-driving is active to prevent data loss or interrupt critical operations. If possible, use the Tesla app's remote diagnostics tool to check for update-related problems first. This is the most common reset. To reboot the touchscreen, press and hold both scroll buttons on the steering wheel simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The screen will go black and then restart in 30 to 60 seconds. This is ideal for frozen screens or lag after an update. For more persistent issues that a screen reboot doesn't resolve, try a power reset. This deeper reboot cycles the vehicle's power, addressing battery-related hiccups and minor electrical faults. Start by shifting into park to ensure the vehicle is stationary and safe. Next, press and hold the brake pedal. This prepares the system for the reset. Then press and hold both scroll wheel buttons on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off. Wait 2 to 3 minutes before restarting the car. This allows the system to fully cycle its power. This power reset addresses deeper issues like battery calibration problems, providing a more thorough restart than a simple screen reboot. The full system reboot, also known as service mode, is rarely needed but provides the most comprehensive restart of your Tesla Model 3. This method should only be used for very persistent issues that haven't been resolved by screen or power resets. To access service mode, press and hold the top right corner of the touchscreen for exactly 5 seconds. This will bring up the service menu with advanced options. From the service menu that appears, select the Power Off option. This will initiate a complete shutdown and restart of all vehicle systems. This full system reboot affects the entire vehicle's software stack, including all modules and communication systems. It's the deepest level of reset available to owners. Remember, only perform this full system reboot for very persistent issues after trying the simpler screen and power reset methods first. It may take several minutes for the vehicle to fully restart. Tesla is evolving its software to make resets less necessary through AI-driven diagnostics and automatic error recovery systems. Current trends show a shift toward preventive maintenance using AI-driven diagnostics, which detect and resolve issues automatically. For example, software versions like V12.3 and later include automatic error recovery, reducing the need for manual resets by 20 to 30%, according to owner reports. Newer software versions now include prompts for safe mode during reboots, which allows diagnostics without a complete restart. Expect increased integration with the Tesla mobile app for remote resets and diagnostics, making it easier to manage your vehicle from anywhere. Looking ahead to 2030, Tesla may incorporate full autonomic recovery systems where the car self-diagnoses and reboots without owner intervention. We might see targeted module reboots for specific systems, and regulatory pressures could require enhanced user education on these procedures. When troubleshooting persistent issues with your Tesla Model 3, it's important to know when a hard reset might not be enough. If the problem continues after attempting resets, The best course of action is to contact Tesla service for professional assistance. Automotive experts recommend hard resets as the solution for approximately 70% of reported software issues in Tesla vehicles. This statistic comes from Tesla service advisors and industry analysts who see resets as a first-line fix for many common problems. Owner surveys conducted by organizations like the National Automobile Dealers Association indicate high satisfaction rates among Tesla Model 3 owners who use hard resets to resolve minor software problems. Many report that these procedures effectively restore normal operation without requiring a service visit. Finally, always cross-reference any reset procedures with Tesla's official manual or documentation. Procedures can vary slightly, depending on your specific firmware version and vehicle software, so consulting the latest official guidance ensures you're following the most current instructions.